In this video, I will show you how to use Voiceflow. First of all, open any browser and search Voiceflow. Click on the first link. Its website will appear. Scroll down and here you can see the flowchart that how it works. Enter \pricing in the URL at the top. On the pricing page, different pricing plans are available in which the sandbox is the free one. Rest of them are the premium versions. Click on Get Started from the top right corner. Now your web chart home screen will appear. If you want to create a workflow, click on the plus icon from the left side. Enter your name and click on Create Workflow. Your workflow will be created. Now to create an intent, click on the plus icon at the front of the trigger option. Enter your intent name, description, and some utterances. Click on Generate if you want AI to generate the utterances. After that, click on Create Intent. The trigger button will be modified. Click on it, and here on the right side, click on Train Agent and click on Save. Now place the trigger button where you want. To add the text, take your mouse on the talk and drag the text option on the screen. Enter the text you want and click on Generate. Connect the trigger button to block 1 by dragging arrow line between them like this. Now take your mouse on Listen and drag Buttons option to the screen. Enter the button name and click on Add Button. Connect both of them. In the same way, you can do it for text. Now take your mouse to Logic and drag Condition option to the screen. You can add as much conditions as you want and connect both of them. Your project is completed. You can always make changes according to your requirements.